Yes, so lion is the king of jungle because of its attitude. Yes, you heard it right. Lion is the king of jungle because of its attitude. Its attitude which is being respected by that monkeys, by that fox, by that elephant, by that giraffe. The attitude which lion carries makes him totally different from the other animals. When a lion comes in front of elephant, which is almost 5 times bigger, almost 10 times heaviest than lion. But when lion sees an elephant, lion thinks he can eat. What that lion thinks? He can eat that elephant. But when an elephant sees that lion, elephant thinks, I'm gone. I'm gone. So it's actually the attitude which matters and which make you a bigger person than others. Lion rules the entire jungle only and only because of the attitudinal behavior which he carries. So, attitude matters, not the size, not the height, not the weight, not the intelligence. Bye everyone.